What is up, YouTube? Hello, everyone. This is Victor from TRADEPRO Academy, and in today's video, I want to show you how you can find those great, crazy movers that have the potential to move 5, 10, 15, 20% in a single day. These are some great movers that we have identified through this amazing screener through FinViz. This is a free screener, and I'm going to show you exactly how to use this stock screener on FinViz. So if you guys are ready, I want you guys to enjoy this video, but first I want you guys to smash that subscribe button, that like button, drop a comment down below, and most importantly, sit back, relax, enjoy the intro before we jump right into this. So here on FinViz, you can see this is a screening website. It's a great stock website. You can find a lot of different names on this. And what we use this for is to find those great high quality movers, right? So today, for example, GME, right? GameStop had this crazy near 60% move. Now, this is one of the stocks that had this great potential upward spike. Now, how do we find this? One is order flow, two, through a site similar to this. Right, let's show you how we can identify these great movers, just like Fubo, just like this one, where you can find these great breakout trades. So this strategy involves first going to the screener on FinViz and identifying the criteria. Now on the screener on FinViz here, you've got three main functions, right? You've got the descriptive, you've got the fundamental, and the technical. Now you could use this for whatever type of stock you like. I personally like larger cap stocks, so I can potentially find some options on them. Other traders may like smaller cap stocks. But this is a simple breakout strategy method to the long side. Now, what that means is a breakout strategy method to the long side encompasses a short squeeze. So what we're looking for is stocks that could potentially short squeeze for a nice run higher. Now, a short squeeze is where you get all the short stops getting eaten up. So this is also called a buy stop run. Now, when we break through a resistance point, those shorts have stops on the other side and they get squeezed out of their positions, right? Whether it's margin calls, whether it's stop losses, whatever it may be, those shorts get squeezed. And we're looking for those short squeezes to get that burst of energy to the upside. Now, the main thing that we're going to use in this screener is what we call a short float. Now, this is a great screener because it provides us with a short float. So it's defined as the percentage of shares in the market that are shorted in relation to all shares in that float. So what we're looking for is a high short float on a stock, because what this will represent is a very high short squeeze potential. So if we look at a stock like Fubo, for example, it had a pretty strong short squeeze recently from 31 trigger point all the way up pretty much to 40, which may not seem that much, but a $9 move is pretty substantial. So at this point, what we want to identify is right here, the short float. So the percentage, this is what's very important, out of the outstanding float being shorted. So this has an extremely high short float of 41.77%. That's why this squeeze happened. Could it squeeze some more? Yes, it can, right? As long as the short float will continue to increase, we could see continued shorts coming into this market. Now, what we want to do, again, the market cap is all up to you. I like to look at 2 billion and 10 billion plus, but let's just start with the short float, right? If we look at stocks with an over 30% short float, what we're going to find is a lot of names, right? Look at that. Fubo's right there. We've also got 49 total names. This is where we start the screening process, right? If we go to charts here on FinViz as a screener, we can identify what the patterns may look like on these stocks, right? So these are a lot of miscellaneous stocks, and naturally look at AAL, American Airlines. It's getting shorted pretty aggressively, right? If we click on this guy, what we're going to see is a 32% short float nearly. So this has a great potential to break out of this little bull flag formation here. So we're going to keep that on our watch list. If we go back and we see some of the other names that we may know, right? It's very important that when you're looking for short squeezes, you find stocks near a resistance or near a high, because what that means is if people are shorting stocks so aggressively near highs, near resistance, the short squeeze back through those tops is going to be that much stronger. Like go. We've been talking about this in the trading room where you guys can join. We've been talking about it for a while now when it just broke a key resistance point right around these 1046s, right? Another level back above 13. Look at that short float, 44%. An incredible short float on go, meaning that if we squeeze these tops, the shorts are going to scream. So we can get a pretty big mover out of that one. Now, if we go to page 5, for example, right, I'm not going to go through all these. Let's see another page with more options. You've got stocks like Rocket that's been talked a lot about. You've got SKT that looks like it's near some kind of highs. You've got Smile Direct, right? It's in an upward channel, but the short float is over 30%. Tilray, right? Look at Tilray. 40% short float. Look what happened. You squeeze above the 12s, it's gone. Right, up $3 on this move, up 12.5% today alone on some of the Biden news as well. Now, short squeeze, looking at short squeezes like these are amazing, especially when stocks are near highs. Now, you can further that by easily just increasing the market cap, right? Maybe I just want anything over mid, right? So that drops it down to 24, and then I have more options. What you could also do, if you want to get more direct in this, you can change the pattern, right? You can go wedge, whatever kind of wedge, right? Let's see if you get anything. You get 7 in total. Wedges are great for breakouts. I'm eyeballing AAL now. Oh, this was a great one that we played in the room, right? Bed Bath & Beyond. Look at this short float. This is insanity. 63% short float. And that's when it squeezed. Right? It squeezed today up 7% nearly. If we get back to these tops around 26, I'm going to be looking for a breakout for another short squeeze. So there's a lot of ways to play around with this. And these are just some simple tricks to get you started finding these great opportunities for these short squeezes. Another one that I'm going to keep my eye on is Rocket. We've got a great wedge forming and we've got 32% short squeeze, meaning you start breaking some of these tops, the shorts are going to scream. So there's a lot to look for in the FinViz screener, and it can get overwhelming. However, this short little video is made to help you guys find stocks a lot easier that have that squeeze potential, whether it's on stocks or just options. So there's a lot of different screeners out there that may be more advanced and more in-depth, but if you're looking for something to start off with for beginners and even just your regular swinger day trader and you're looking for some kind of great moves, this is a very unique platform that allows us to have those 3 criteria that I mentioned. Number 1, the short float. Number 2, the patterns. And number 3, the market cap of your choosing. So if you guys enjoyed this short little video, I want you guys to drop a like, drop a comment, and hit that subscribe button. And I'll see you guys next time. George is going to leave us off with a little message, and I hope everyone has a great time.
Hello, and thank you for watching this video. I want to take a moment to invite you to an exclusive online trading masterclass. In this event, you're going to learn 3 key things to help take your trading to the next level. Number 1, we're going to teach you a complete price action strategy used by professional traders on a daily basis, plus give you the checklist so you know how to check off each step to qualify the opportunities. Number 2, we're going to teach you how to use advanced order flow analytics to help you qualify high probability, low risk trade setups on a daily basis. Plus, we're going to teach you how to use that order flow to disqualify the trades that you're used to taking that end up being stopped out. Number 3, we're going to show you how you could apply all of this information with a small account, because you could start small and scale up. In fact, that's the only way to start, and a lot of our traders are doing it in our community on a daily basis. This is an exclusive offer you could get online only at this event. I look forward to seeing you at this masterclass and teaching you these 3 secrets of highly profitable day trading. Take care and have a great day.